Hey guys, Carp here. Okay, so bear with me as I'm sprawled out on my kitchen floor here. The drawings that we talked about today were what was called oblique. Okay, it had a normal front, and then the angles got projected back at a 45-degree angle, giving us something like this. Okay, this represented the front, this was the top, and this was the right. Right? It was called oblique. 45-degree angles. 3D. We are going to start seeing another type of 3D. Okay, and this type of 3D is a little bit different. It's called an isometric. And it has 30-degree angles. Now, the isometric looks a little something like this. Okay, now the oblique, the front was normal, and the top and the right side were what we call a little bit skewed, distorted. On the isometric, all sides are distorted. So, whereas this is the front, this is the top, and this is the right on the oblique, on the isometric, this is the front, this is the top, and this is the right. Again, isometric, 30-degree angles, oblique, 45. The fronts are different, okay? Yes, they're both 3D. Now, the reason I'm telling you this, let me just check my phone to make sure you're in. You are. Okay, this is what tomorrow's assignment is. And it says to number on a sheet of paper, 1 through 20. So you're going to number down 1, 2, 3, boom, 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 all the way to 20. You're going to write your answers down, and then you're going to put it in the form. But I wanted to talk about this, okay? This right here is number 1. This is the top view. So if we look at number 1 here, on top, okay? This is the top. Number 1 would be letter A. I'm going to write it right next to it right here, okay? Let's look here at the front view. I'm going to bounce around. The front view right here, again, front, top, and right side. They're all always in the same spots. Top, front, right side. So let's look at number 16, okay? You see this L shape of number 16. It's right here in the front. This would be letter B. Let's look at number 15. Again, right in the front. It's this weird T shape. It's right here. This would be letter F. Let's bounce around. Let's go up to the top here. Looking at the top. This little right rectangle, okay? From the top view, what do you think that would be? M. That's correct, okay? Still looking at, let's bounce and let's look at the front view here, okay? The front view is number 13. We know this is F. F is here. In the top left corner of F, we have right there, which would be P. So 13 would be P. All right, let's go to the right side here, okay? The right side, we have right here, we have that stairs. Boom, 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 boom. Number 25. What do you got for number 25? J, correct, okay? What I want you guys to do is finish answering the rest of them. Let's do one more on the top real quick, okay? If you're looking down at the top, this is number 4, okay? Looking down at the top, number 4, what shape, what letter do you think number 4 represents? That would be N, yes. Let's do a little bit, one more that's a harder one. Let's go back to the front here. Number 9 is pointing to the side of 13. 13 is P, okay? It's kind of tricky. So the side of P, here's P, that would be the side right there. So the answer to number 9 would be L. Guys, I don't expect you to be experts, all right? Just please do your best, and I'll talk to you guys soon.